You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning hues. Hues is how you say it, both in British English and in American English, so it's easy. Hues. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least. It helps me a lot. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.